Okay guys, check this out. You can see right here, today I was already able to make $944. Then yesterday I made $610. Last 7 days I was able to make $6.4 thousand. And when I go to this month, so far I'm at $14,000. And when I go to the last month, I was able to make $26,000. And when I go to the last 30 days, I'm at $28,000. And you can see the daily earnings right here. I'm making close to $1,000 every single day. You can see 944, 610. You can see this is a $1,000 day right here. That was on 12th of January. And you can see right here I made $1.4 thousand, and that was actually on 10th of January. And if you're going to look closely, you can see that for this $1.4 thousand, I only got 29 sales compared to $1,000. I got 64 sales. So you can see I got kind of lucky right here. I made $1.4 thousand from just 29 sales, and I made $1,000 from 64 sales. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways you can make over $1,500 per week on Warrior Plus as a beginner who never made any money online.
Just by using these two websites. The first one is getting 61 million visitors every single month, and it's completely for free. And the second one is getting 94 million visitors again every single month, and it's completely free. Alright guys, so step number one, what you want to do is you want to go to warriorplus.com. Okay, it's warriorplus.com, and then you just want to sign up for free at this website. Now this is the website we are going to be using in this video tutorial. The websites which I'm going to share with you that are going to be getting you traffic, you can use them for any niche, any website as well. But I want to keep this super simple and show you step by step exactly what you need to do to generate maybe your first sale ever, maybe your first $100. So you actually know this method is going to be working, and then you can scale it later on. So first of all, just create an account. All you need to do is just enter your username, your password, your email address, and notify me. You can just disable this one. Click on that you are not a robot, because yeah, they don't allow robots anymore. And then click on create your account. Then they are going to send you an email verification thingy to your email address. So make sure you go to your email inbox and verify that. Then once you're going to log into your dashboard, this is how it's going to look like. Maybe without the earnings. This is pretty much what I'm currently making on this platform using my Incognito profit system. By the way, I'm opening up few coaching spots for this month. So if you'd like me to personally help you set up the entire system that I'm using currently to make close to $30,000 per month, you can see last 30 days is $28,000 per month. But if I go to this month, it's currently 16th of the month, and I'm already at $14,000. So I should be closing just from this account alone at like $30,000 in a single month. So if you are serious about making money online and you'd like to join my program, then click on the link in the video description, fill out the application, go through the videos to see if you are the right fit for the program. If you are, then watch the video, fill out the application form if I can actually help you out, and maybe you can be one of the few people that I'm going to be taking on this month to help them set up this entire system as well. Oh, and by the way, this is all without using my YouTube channel, without showing my face online. Even though I have a YouTube channel, I don't really promote Warrior Plus products, at least from this account on this YouTube channel. So all these earnings you can see right here today, $944, yesterday $610, last 7 days $6.4 thousand, this month is 14, then last 30 days is 28, and last month was $26,000. So this month has actually a faster pace than the last one, because I know for a fact that I'm going to be closing at over $30,000 this month. And these are my daily earnings. You can see like 944, 610, 780, 801, $1,094, and then $1.4 thousand. So if you'd like to start making money right here just like this, then check out my Incognito profit system 2.0. But if you like to start just making some money here and there, then watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So what you want to do is you want to go to the affiliate section right here and go to the offers. Then this is where you're going to land on, and you can see that this is the marketplace for the different affiliate products you can be promoting. And the reason why I'm using Warrior Plus is because there's always new products you can be promoting from this network. There are always pretty much new products being added by new people, and the also good thing about them is you can see the exact stats they currently have. So for example, this one is very new, very fresh, by Alessandro Zamboni. It's a Chat GPT product which is very hot right now, and there isn't a lot of things you can sell related to Chat GPT, but he created a product about that, and it's got over 3,000 sales. You can see the conversion rate on this one is 15%, meaning if you're going to send $100 100 clicks, targeted clicks, you should get around 15 sales. The earnings per click is $3.26, and the earnings per sale on average is close to $22. And these are the stats you can see for every single offer, which is something you don't really rarely see on different affiliate offers. Like on ClickBank, you can already see that. On Digistore, you can already see the accurate stats like this, and this is the reason why I allow to use Warrior Plus. But for this method, for you guys, what you want to do, you want to scroll down until you're going to find this offer right here. It's called 10K in 30 days challenge New Year's sale by Luther Landro. Okay, if you cannot find that, then you can just write it, or I'm just going to copy and paste it so I don't have to rewrite it. Then just paste it right here in the offer title / keyword 10K in 30 days, hit enter, and it's going to show you the affiliate offer right here. You can see it's right here, and this is the affiliate offer we want to promote. Now, if you are a beginner, you're going to have a request button right here instead of get links button. You need to request your affiliate link first. Now, the way to do that, you click on request your affiliate link. You will be taken to this page, which is pretty much like a detailed page about the product. Then go right here, click on the request approval, and then this is where you can write the request notes. And here's pretty much what you want to write here. Hey, my name is, and you want pretty much write your name, so I'm going to put there Eric, and I'd love to promote this product. I'm just getting started with affiliate marketing and would appreciate if you could approve my link. Thanks. And also add this little detail, because this little detail is going to tell them that you are pretty much not somebody who's going to harm their stats. So just add here, PS, I'm not going to be sending spammy bot traffic to this link. Thanks. Because most of the times these people are, the only reason why they are not going to approve your link is because they think you are going to be spamming this link and you are going to be sending some bot traffic, because there's a lot of websites that are going to send you like 1 million visitors, but these are really just bot traffic that are going to give you like 1 million views, but it doesn't mean anything at all. And they don't want to receive this traffic because it would actually harm their stats in the Warrior Plus marketplace, and everybody can see that, so they don't want to get that, because then nobody else will be promoting their affiliate offers. And then just click right here on the request offer, and then you're going to have your affiliate link. If you already have some sales history, if you have sales history, you're going to get instantly approved. And because I'm making close to 30K per month on Warrior Plus, yeah, I got my link approved right away. If you have a brand new account, it's going to say it's pending. What you can do is just contact this person, let's say on Facebook, and ask them to get your link approved. But anyways, this is what you want to be doing pretty much to make money with this affiliate link, because you can also get other affiliate links, but this is the one that I recommend that you want to pick up, because I know it's going to work actually the best, I believe. So when you're going to click right here on the view sales page, you're going to see that this is the sales page of the product. And this is the cool part about this sales page. It's very simple, and it has a white background and mostly just a black text. So you can see this is the sales page. It's pretty old school. And if you're going to go through that, there's a lot of text, a lot of images, white background, and that's it. It looks like as if it was written in like a Google document. And this is exactly the reason I want you to be using this offer right here, okay? Because I want to show you the entire sales page. This is how it looks like, okay? It's super simple, and this is exactly why I want to be promoting it, okay? So you want to get affiliate link for this affiliate offer. Once you're going to have that, you want to copy the sales page of this exact page. You want to copy that, so copy that, and then you want to go to Google and you want to search for this website called Web to PDF, okay? And just click on any of the first search results. There's like 3 of them right here, like web2pdf.com, web2pdfconvert.com, or seda.com. I like to use the first one. I believe not this one, the second one actually, web to PDF convert, this one. This is the one that I like to use. So you just want to paste the link right here and then click right on the blue button. It's going to say it's converting right here, and it's going to create the entire PDF document from this sales page. You can see it's already done. I'm going to download it, and bam, let's see what it has created. And bam, this is the PDF document. And because the sales page is really just a white background with black text, this looks very nice as an ebook, as a realistic ebook. And you can see this is something we are going to be using to make money from promoting this product, okay? This little ebook right here, but not like this, okay? Because this ebook right here, it's okay, but it doesn't have our affiliate link on it. If you're going to check this out, if you're going to hover over this part, click here for instant access, it has the default buy button. It doesn't have your affiliate link. So what we need to do right now is you want to go to the third search result called seda.com. It's called seda.com. Just go to seda.com. Don't even Google that. Just go to seda.com and then upload the PDF document we have downloaded. okay? And then you want to go through the entire ebook right here and then find the buy buttons, okay? So when I'm going to go through that, it's going to load it up, and I'm going to go a little slower right here because I don't want to miss on any of the buy buttons. So they should be pretty obvious because they are yellow. It's like the only colorful thing on the sales page. So if I'm going to scroll down, yeah, it's right here. So I want to get my affiliate link for this offer. So I'm just going to copy that, and then I want to add a link. So go right here, click on links, and you want to highlight this entire part, okay? Just like this, even just like this, and you want to put your own affiliate link right here and click enter, okay? So now it's going to be it's going to have your affiliate link instead of the default sales page link. Then scroll down, and I know there's another button right here, so I'm going to highlight that one as well, add my affiliate link right here and hit enter as well, and just scroll down even more, another one. Make sure you're going to add it to all of them because some people really just read the entire sales page and then they are going to end up clicking on the last ever buy button at the bottom of the page. So you don't want to miss out any of those because yeah, that would kind of hurt if you would miss out on a couple of the sales. And if you're going to find any of the links right here, just click on the delete link, okay? So it's going to delete it, and this is going to be our page, not page but like PDF we have created from the sales page. Then click on apply changes, and it's going to finalize the PDF, and bam, this is how it's going to look like. And if you're going to go through the PDF, you're going to notice that this is going to be now our affiliate link, okay? So it's not going to be the default sales page buy button, but it's going to be our affiliate link. And then just quite simply click on the button that says download. And now what I want to show you are going to be these two untapped websites where you can add this PDF document and get huge amounts of targeted free traffic. Now, the first website is getting over 61 million visitors. You can see it right here. And then the second website is getting 94 million visitors, okay? Now, not all of these are from United States. You can see like 10% of them are actually from United States. So it's like 9 million visitors and like 6 million visitors, okay? But it's 100% USA. So either like 50 million per month visitors, 100% USA, or 150 million visitors per month and 10% USA. Either way, it's a win-win situation. Now, the first website is called academia.edu, okay? And this is completely untapped website that I've been actually using myself to promote CPA offers right here. Now, if you'd like to see exactly how to promote CPA offers on this website, then please comment down below about it as well, because I made hundreds of dollars when I was getting started as a beginner with barely getting any views on this at all. Actually, check out this page. This is actually my page. I'm going to kind of hide it, kind of not hide it. We can see I've been getting like 3 views, 2 views, 52 views, 8 views, 69 views, 0 views, 3 views, 88 views, 153 views, 48 views, 826 views, 623 views, 6 views, 234 views on this website myself back in the day, promoting CPA offers and making at least $100 per day by doing this with barely getting views. So if you'd like to get a detailed tutorial about this one as well, then please comment down below Academia CPA tutorial. But for affiliate marketing, just go to academia.edu and pretty much click on right here, click on sign up. Now, what you want to do is just sign up with Google because it's fast, free, and pretty much effortless. So you don't have to like fill in all the details. You're just going to click on a few buttons and it's going to create you a free account. And then just make sure you're going to choose the free section. Don't go for the paid one because that's obviously like paid one and premium. Just go with the free one. Then go to the top section right here and click on upload, and then make sure you're going to upload the PDF with your affiliate links, okay? Do not upload the first one without your PDF links. If you're not going to change the name of the PDF, it should be the same. And then the second version with your own affiliate links is going to have this one at the end because it's the same name. So depending on your system that you are using, it's going to add something at the end to distinguish between them. Then click on you are not a robot and click on continue. Then the paper title, in this case, it's going to auto-fill it. So it's going to be revealed the 3-step blueprint I used to quietly earn over $100,000 per month selling other people's products over abstract, all without creating products, without selling on Amazon, without joining some MLM, blah, 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 blah. And pretty much publication name, just add 10K in 30 days challenge, which is essentially the name of the product we are promoting from Warrior Plus. And then right here, where it's going to say research interest, you want to add a couple of like tags or keywords, but make sure they are very vague, like online business, marketing online, and stuff like that. Okay, so if you are in other, let's say a niche, let's say like weight loss, you want to add like weight loss, how to lose weight, exercise, and not like how to lose belly fat fast. Okay, just want to keep keep it vague and very abstract. So weight loss, exercise, diet, and stuff like that. In this case, it's like online business, online marketing, and marketing online. And then click on the right here, save and finish. And bam, then this is how it's going to look like. So reveal the 3-step blueprint I used to quietly earn over $100,000 per month selling other people's products. You can see this is how it's going to look like. So this is the headline, this is the description, and then when people are going to go through this PDF, they are going to read it. And because it's like very high quality PDF made from that sales page, which really looks like an ebook instead of looking like a very shiny sales page. We don't want shiny sales pages right here. You're going to see they are going to go through that, and then if they are interested, they are going to click on the buy button, which is right here, and you can see people can actually click on the buy button. This is not going to disable links in your PDF. And then complete the purchase of 30 days challenge, New Year's discount, and I can check out the right here. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like, and you just want to upload a couple of PDFs with different headlines to this page right here. It's called academia.edu, and this is what's going to be sending you the free targeted traffic from this niche. Now this is the first website, it's academia.edu. Now the second website, the setup is the same exact, but it's getting a little bit more traffic per month, and the website name is called scriptd.com. okay, scriptd.com. This one is getting 94 million visitors actually. So just do the same exact thing on scriptd as well. Just upload multiple of these PDF ebooks about the Warrior Plus products on this PDF sharing website, scriptd.com. But academia.edu is the one that I was getting very targeted traffic from, because most people don't even know about it. I have never seen it on any Make Money Online channel when I was going through the methods, and then I kind of like remember that I was using this back in the day. So yeah, I'm sharing it right now.